foreground is the three-dimensional recreation of the animal's typical habitat, as depicted in the background painting. So it could include artificial plants, rock work, could be snow, evergreen trees. It could include a water surface. The foreground artist collects all of the information necessary in the field to come back to the museum and recreate that three-dimensional habitat in the studio. There's this great humbling effect when you do climb into the dioramas and you encounter such high caliber artwork.
For the most part, things like the sagebrush and certain types of plants that would be really difficult to fabricate, each little twig, each little leaf, a lot of those are the real plants, oftentimes sprayed with spray paint or painted by hand over the plant to kind of boost up the color. The things like the grasses, things like that, usually they're real, but you know, it's hard to know sometimes. Sometimes I get like really close and they're done so well that it's hard to figure it out.
Somehow when you see the level of detail these artists pursued relentlessly, refusing to accept anything less than absolutely the best. Just as we're humble when we view their work, they had to be so humble in observing nature and being dedicated to duplicating nature, putting themselves second to the accuracy required to get that close to nailing it perfectly.